Hey, if you want to change ear tips on the JBL Vibe Beam, let me quickly catch focus on them. There we go. And now I can highly recommend you to input thin item between your plastic part of the earbud and the ear tip and start to rolling it like that. Take a look. Go right here at the bottom. And we have to just try to roll it out like that. Now we can roll the other part of the ear tip, and then we are able to actually grab it and pull towards us. And as you can see, thanks to this, thanks to this, we just simply removed this ear tip. And now if we want to put it back, we have to actually squeeze this part and start inputting like that and press. Now be sure that it's all around on your earbud and then try to roll it back. And that's how we can do this also for the second earbud. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.